Rosemary is really not a common species for bonsai. They don't live for hundreds of years like trees do, but they can and do live for decades if well cared for. They got fibrous barks and evergreen needles, which kind of reminds me of some species of junipers, which these are very attractive qualities for bonsai. Now, there are definitely some challenges in working with rosemary. They got very dense, compact root mass, which are very difficult to, if you want to work through them or rake them out or anything like that. Their branches are very brittle unless it's very young, new growth, and they also have the tendency to just kind of kill off branches randomly. So these are definitely qualities that are undesirable when it comes to bonsai. Now, this particular cultivar is called Roman Beauty, and it got very dense, compact foliage with the new growth having the tendency to sort of droop over and then grow upwards like little spears or spikes. These are qualities that I think can be useful or suitable for bonsai. I also got other cultivars of rosemary that I am just growing them out, and they got pretty fun and attractive twisty trunks that I hope one day can be turned into a decent or good looking bonsai. As of now, they are great for just collecting herbs for culinary or tea, so they're great. Alright, so I am going to start off by sawing off the root mass here, and then I'm going to rinse some of the soil off. I'm not going to bare root the plants just as to not to stress out too much. And then after that, I'm going to repot it, and then we are going to start pruning it.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time